The Black Phoenix checking in with you, man, on my way to a job site. Actually, I'm going out to the concrete washout pans and do some repairs out there here in a minute. So on my way going there, just wanted to talk to you about something because I just left actually a contractor and we're about to do a few things. And I'm going to tell you something that was real funny to me. And actually, the guy said, hey man, I need someone to help me to keep me from wasting money. You know what I mean? You know how it be. You know what I mean? You get someone and say, oh man, I know what I'm doing, but when it all comes down to it, they chasing their tail. So the guy was like, man, I actually just want to pay you, man, to help me set my fabrication shop up. We're about to start doing, building small items and different things that we need all the time on the job site, and we need some jigs built, this and this, and I'm just tired of chasing my tail, you know what I mean? So all I want to say is this: people say knowledge is power. Knowledge is truly power, and knowledge is really powerful once you know how to transform it into wisdom, when it's knowledge and actually application, because then people see actions speak louder than words, and they don't mind paying you for your services because they see the wisdom. They see, okay, you know what you're doing. So think about this: the America is selling people knowledge, book knowledge, and saying you got to have this degree, this paperwork behind you to get this amount of money, and you're still working for somebody. But what about that knowledge and that wisdom you got from working for someone? After you did that for a while, surely you can create your own. I'm just saying, surely you can start your own business. You can do your own thing once you realize what your knowledge is that can turn into money, because it's power. So power, in order to have it in the United States, in order to really do something, you got to have a little money. You got to have money to be powerful in the United States, to make some moves. You gotta have, so if you got the knowledge, your knowledge can transfer over into money. You know what I mean? Because people pay for it. You know, from even you teaching them or educating them, from you helping them do different jobs, or you starting your business, whatever the situation is, people pay for knowledge. So don't think that what you got, someone won't pay for it, because people pay for what you got if you're a master at what you do. So just keep that in mind, man. And I just wanted to say something, you know what I mean? You know I'm always on the grind trying to figure some things out. So just wanted to come to you with a small update, man, and just say, hey, knowledge is power. Use what you know to get your bag. Hog on.